I love nothing more than to see a board, gather in a boardroom and pick up the phone and call the contact center, for example, and sort of like see how that plays out. Or maybe have the board actually assemble and configure your product. Just give them the instruction sheet and let them go at it. In essence, if you bring to the board, if you immerse them in the perspective of your customer so that they can see what it truly feels like to be a customer of that company at various episodes during the experience, I think that can turn heads, because then nobody wants to lead a company. Nobody wants to be a director of a company that is sapping the life from customers, that's making people's lives difficult, that's creating anxiety and angst for them. And so if you as a director, if you start to see, wow, wait, this is what it feels like to be our customer? That's horrible. We can't have that. I think that helps to turn people a bit and get them to understand, okay, there's this rational explanation for why we should do this, but then emotionally, this is the right thing to do, because we can't just exact these incivilities on our customers. That has to stop.